Labor Day for a McKees Rocks woman. Our camera was there as local businesses helped her with some home repairs during the 9th annual Labor Day of Love.
It's one of the most wonderful things that's ever happened to me.
Kim Howell can hardly believe her luck. Today, her home in Stowe Township is getting several much-needed repairs.
I've had major water problems, and they're putting in French drains for me. I mean, they've just done more over and above than I could have ever imagined, and they're not done.
Kim is a cancer survivor, and until very recently, she was taking care of her mother before she passed away. And she had a big house with some overwhelming problems. She is a recipient of the 9th annual Labor Day of Love.
Every year we have to find a nominee.
A local businessman who owns Pittsburgh Drain Guys started the effort in 2011. Today, William Thomas was the organizer.
We have people from Stowe Township, just, people from around the neighborhood that wanted to give their day to help one of their neighbors. Yeah, a lot of businesses, they understand that, it's important to give back to the communities.
And give back they did. They put in French drains, did major yard and basement cleanup, rebuilt a fence, a gate, and a stone wall, repaired the roof, and put in some new gutters. They painted and even planted flowers.
And they've been here working nonstop. I mean, they're just amazing people.
Since 2011, the group has volunteered on Labor Day in Carrick, Mount Oliver, Morningside, Sheridan, Overbrook, and Baldwin.